Yes, sir.
हाँ
Hello
बोलो।
everyone. My name is Nisha. I am a student of
माई
Raman Online
नेम
Interactive.
इज निशा।
Okay.
माई
My
नेम
name is
निशा क्या
Nisha.
होता है? माई नेम निशा क्या होता है बेटा?
Sorry, sir. वो जल्दी हो गया.
नहीं, जल्दी इतने काहे की जल्दी हो रही है आपको? मतलब यहाँ जल्दी किस चीज की हो रही है आपको? और आज तो जल्दी है, अपनी पिछली रिकॉर्डिंग निकाल के देखना आप क्या बोल रहे हो। आप हमेशा माई नेम निशा, माई नेम निशा। आगे बोलो, बोलो बोलो,
My
आगे
name
बोलो।
is Nisha
हाँ,
and
थोड़ा ऐसा भी क्या जल्दी हो रही है
student
आपको?
of
है ये क्या? आप जब जल्दी हो रही है, क्या जल्दी हो रही है आपको? आगे बोलो।
I am the student of Raman Online Interactive classes from batch 11.
अब बोलो,
Today I
अच्छा
am
लग रहा
going
है ऐसे
to
बोल रहे हो आप।
tell you.
जल्दबाजी में आधा बोलते हो आधा छोड़ते हो यार, क्या है यार? बोलो आगे।
Today I am going to tell you a story. This is a true story.
हाँ,
Once there was a family which has 3 members.
विच हैड।
One a man. Sorry, sir.
विच हैड आएगा ना, हैव क्यों आएगा? पास्ट में बता रहे हो ना आप, तो
Which
हैड
had
आएगा।
3 members.
इतनी देर लगती है क्या समझने में आपको? मतलब इतनी देर लगती है आपको कि आपने हैव बोला और फिर मैंने हैड बोला और फिर आपको समझने में इतनी देर लग गई कि मुझे उसको पूरा एक्सप्लेन
No,
करना
sir.
पड़ा?
Actually, on the
आगे बोलो।
one was man who was the father in this story, and second was a woman who was mother in this story, and third was girl who was daughter in this story. That girl name was Hannah. Hannah's parents were very sad, but they didn't lose their believed because their daughter was
believed नहीं, they didn't lose their heart।
okay.
या फिर
They didn't
belief,
lose their
या फिर आप
heart.
फेथ बोलोगे वहां पर। आप जिस चीज के लिए वो कह रहे हो तो फेथ आएगा वहां पर, बिलीव्ड कैसे आएगा?
Okay, sir.
आगे बोलो।
Sorry.
सॉरी
Because
मत बोला करो
their
आप।
daughter
सॉरी से सॉरी मत बोला करो आप लोग, है ना? सॉरी शब्द अब मुझे बहुत चिड़चिड़ाने लग गया है ये, बहुत ज्यादा। सॉरी मत बोला करो आप, ठीक करो अपने आप को बस, आप कर सकते हो तो। ये तो फिर सॉरी की एक तख्ती लटकाओ गले में और घूमते रहो उसको आप लेकर के। आगे बोलो।
Hannah's parents were very sad, but they didn't lose their faith.
लॉस नहीं,
Lose their faith because their
Faith नहीं,
daughter
faith।
was
मैडम फेथ नहीं
faith.
होता है ये, फेथ होता है ये।
Okay, faith.
मेहरबानी
Because
उन स्कूलों
their
की जिन
daughter,
स्कूलों में आप पढ़ पढ़ करके आ रहे हो। आगे बोलो।
because their daughter was deaf and dumb.
हाँ, डेम नहीं, डेफ
So
एंड
she
डम।
dumb.
डेफ एंड डम।
Okay, deaf and dumb. So she couldn't speak and listen.
हाँ, वेरी गुड।
So her parents were worried about to her.
तू मत लगाओ, अबाउट हर काफी है ना। कभी सोचते
Okay,
भी हो क्या
about
तू क्यों
her.
लगा रहे हैं हम?
Break down, break in, break through, break
क्या हो
away,
गया?
break down, break loose. Break your side, break bonds, break hearts, break bones, break plates, break in.
हाँ बोलो।
Her parents always saw Helen that she
इतना
was
चलेगा कि बोलो? हाँ
eager to learn for new things.
हाँ
She tried to talk why the body science.
हाँ, ठीक है, बहुत अच्छा।
Helen did to say yes and no. She nodded her head. To her.
हो गया?
So her parents went to the doctor for treatment of their daughter.
हाँ
But the doctor said to them, you should arrange a special teacher for yours daughter.
हाँ ठीक है.
Finally, they got a teacher for their daughter,
हाँ.
whose teacher's name was Annie Sullivan.
Whose क्यों लगा रहे हो? Whose name
Teacher
was?
name.
Whose name बोल
Okay,
दो ना.
whose name was Annie Sullivan,
हाँ ठीक है.
who kept constant
Constantly.
companion with. Sorry, sir.
Constantly. Constant नहीं, constantly. थोड़ा इन शब्दों को समझने की कोशिश किया करो अब आप. मेहनत करो
Okay,
थोड़ी
sir.
सी अब आप, है ना.
Constantly.
मेहनत करो थोड़ी सी आप.
Companion with Hannah.
हाँ.
The teacher taught not only about books but also about birds
हाँ.
via the science, body science.
हाँ.
And the Helen become after some years, the Helen became a lecturer and professor in the university
हाँ.
because her teacher came in her life dark bring light.
हाँ. In her life, like a light in dark.
Okay. In her life, like a bring light in dark.
Like a light
The
in the dark.
Helen,
हाँ.
the Helen also wrote some books.
हाँ.
So this story was very nice, and I listened it 2 times. First time I read it, and second time this story was told by sir to
हाँ.
us.
हाँ.
I am teached by this story that anything is possible when our family is with us.
हाँ.
That's it.
Very good. बहुत अच्छा.
That's
Very good. Now this is the turn of Harshit.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Hello, everyone. My name is Harshit, and I am student of B11 Ramban Online Interactive Classes.
हाँ.
Today, I am talking about a war which is going in present, and this war is of 2 countries. Their names are Russia and Ukraine.
हाँ.
And they both country are powerful, but Ukraine is a rich country, and the people of Ukraine spend their money in buying luxury cars, luxury houses, luxury planes, luxury yachts, etc. And there were very less people in their army, and you know that Russia is a second powerful country in the world.
Very good.
And both countries were good, and both countries have many supporters, and the supporters of Ukraine are Pakistan, China, America, and I don't know the supporters of Russia, but there are also many supporters, and I think that India is one of them.
Yes.
And India, and because of this war, whole world is facing many problems, because as today is the 44th day of war, and today Russia fired a missile on a railway station of Ukraine, and many people got dead, and because of this war, Ukraine got weak, and they are not able to buy anything, and the price of many things has increased in Ukraine, and Russia is selling many things in less price, like oil, and our country is buying oil in very less cost from Russia, and our country is bringing many tanks of oil from Russia, and many Indian students were also sir फंस गए थे
Caught.
were also caught
Yes,
in the,
stuck.
were also stuck in the war, and they could not get out from the place. So our Indian army went there and saved all the students, all the 20,000 students, but only one student got died, and all students got rescued, and they did not got any harm. And the president of Russia is Vladimir Putin, and the president of Ukraine is Zelensky.
Hmm.
Both are good people, and they are protecting their countries from the war, and the people of the country are also facing many problems. That's also.
वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा बोला आज तुमने, शाबाश, अच्छा टॉपिक था और बहुत अच्छी आपने कोशिश की, बहुत अच्छा बोला आज आपने, वेरी गुड।
Thank you, sir.
अब आप बोलो।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Akshit Maurya. Today's my topic is a story: a lazy dog and an intelligent donkey. Once there was a washerman. He had a donkey and a dog. The donkey was very intelligent and the dog was very and the washerman did not give enough food to eat their donkey and his dog. One day a thief came to the washerman's house. The donkey said to the dog that it is your duty to inform washerman, but the dog said him that the washerman did not give me enough food to eat, so why will I bark? So he did not bark. So donkey barked. So donkey prayed. The thief ran away, and the washerman woke up and beated to the donkey.
Beated नहीं, beat.
Yes, a beat to the donkey, and the thief came again, and this time the donkey did not bray and the dog did not bark. So the thief took all precious things of the washerman, and next day the washerman woke up and saw his precious things was missing. So he beat the dog and dog ran away. So that's it.
ठीक है, और थोड़ी सी अपने और क्रिएटिविटी लाओ बेटा अपने अंदर, है ना?
ओके सर।
और थोड़ी सी क्रिएटिविटी लाओ अपने अंदर, और थोड़ी सी चीजों को डेवलप करो आप अपने अंदर, कर सकते हो आप लोग, ठीक है ना? यस, हर्षित फास्ट।
Yes, sir. Hello everyone. My name is Harshit Maurya. I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes. Today's my topic is my today's picnic. Today I went to Shivaji Park with my cousins and my sister. First of all, we went to the मूर्ति को क्या कहते हैं?
मूर्ति?
हाँ सर।
स्टैचू?
First of all, we saw the statue of Sri Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, and we click some photos with the structure And then we took breakfast. In breakfast, we drank cold drink and ate some things. Then we went near the swings and we swing in the on the swings. Then we went to up pool and we click some photos. Then we went to the garden and took rest for some minutes. After taking rest, we went to some flower plants and break some flowers for us. And then my link came and so we came back to home. That's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा बोला आपने। क्रिएटिविटी कहते हैं इसको। क्रिएटिविटी हर्षित ने जो बोला सेकंड ने उसको, क्रिएटिविटी वाला वर्क था निशा का, क्रिएटिविटी वाला वर्क था ज्योति का, लेकिन उसने कंटिन्यू नहीं रख पाई, कॉन्फिडेंस उसका लूज हो गया। चलिए कोई बात नहीं है। वंश,
Hello friends, my name is Vansh Garg
भैया कैमरा चालू कर लिया करो, मुझे बार बार ना कहने की जरूरत
and
है।
I am the student of Brahman Online English Interactive Classes from batch 11.
हाँ,
Today's my topic is about my daily routine.
हाँ,
I wake up early in the morning. I go for morning walk with my father. I wake up at 6 a.m. I eat breakfast, lunch and dinner with my family. I drink milk and bread and eat bread in the breakfast. I take my English online class daily. I go to school daily. I study for about 2 hours in a day. I sleep at 10 o'clock in the night. That's it, sir.
ओके, और थोड़ा सा क्रिएटिविटी लाओ बेटा। कौन सी क्लास में हो आप?
9th में, सर।
और लाओ बेटा, थोड़ी सी क्रिएटिविटी आप अपने अंदर,
ओके सर।
है ना?
ओके
और
सर।
लाओ थोड़ा सा बेटा, थोड़ा सा और कोशिश करो आप चीजों को थोड़ा डेवलप करने की।
ओके सर।
आप ही के लिए फायदेमंद है बेटा ये चीज, नहीं तो एक जगह जाके ब्लॉक हो जाओगे आप। खोलो दिमाग को अच्छे से।
ओके सर।
यस यस दीपक।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Deepak. Today I am telling about Helen Keller. Helen Keller was
हेलो।
an American author and speaker.
हाँ,
She was born in 27
हाँ,
June
फोन पे रह ले, पर फोन पे कहना रिकॉर्डिंग
1880
होगी ना कुछ होगी तेरी। रह ले,
in
फोन पे रह ले।
USA. She
हैं?
she lost her eyesight and
तेरे को कहाँ आ रही है?
her
देख देख ले,
hearing
कोशिश कर ले,
capability
फोन पे रह।
due to an illness in age of 19 months.
हाँ,
She was deaf and blind.
हाँ,
She was deaf and blind. Some doctors suggested to her parents to appoint a teacher to her.
हाँ,
Fortunately, they found a good teacher. They called the teacher to come and live with her,
हाँ,
and the teacher agreed. The teacher name was Miss Anne Sullivan. Miss Anne Sullivan was a constant companion of Helen Keller. Helen Keller was an intelligent girl.
Hmm.
She रुको सर she completed she completed she graduated from Radcliffe College. She had a Bachelor of Arts degree from Harvard University,
Hmm.
and she also wrote many books and speeches and essays. She Her book The Story of My Life so was so famous.
Hmm.
The book Story of My Life was her autobiography.
Hmm.
Yes sir.
वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा बोल रहे हो,
Yes sir.
कोशिश
Was
करो बस.
her autobiography, and Miss Anne Sullivan is
एनी सुलिवन,
Anne Sullivan
एनी
was
सुलिवन, ध्यान से सुना करो.
Anne Sullivan.
हाँ.
Miss Anne Sullivan played a big and important role in her life.
Hmm.
She taught her language by writing on her hand. She taught her many things. That's it.
बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड, बहुत
Yes.
अच्छी कोशिश करी है आपने, शाबाश. यामिनी आ जाओ फटाफट से.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Yashashvi South. I'm the student of Rambar English Interactive Classes from batch B11.
Hmm.
Today, I'm going to tell you about my older teachers.
Hmm.
First of all, I'm telling about my math teacher. My math teacher's name is Akhlej sir.
Hmm.
He is a good teacher and also a dangerous teacher.
Hmm.
He teaches us in proper way.
एक मिनट, यहाँ पे डेंजरस थोड़ा सा अच्छा वर्ड नहीं है, तो या तो आप स्ट्रिक्ट यूज करें या आप स्टर्न यूज करें. डेंजरस वर्ड थोड़ा सा अच्छा नहीं है यहाँ पर. ओके,
Sir.
हाँ, आगे बोलो.
Okay, sir. He teaches in proper way and solve our all the problems.
Hmm.
Now sometime sir stay in dangerous mood.
Hmm.
So that time we all student want to feel happy.
Hmm.
But now sometime our math teacher stay in happy mood.
Hmm.
In the happy mood, sir ask some questions and give funny answers from them.
Hmm.
Now some days, sir solve model papers.
For some days.
For some days, sir solve model papers because our board examination was very near.
Was क्यों? Are very near.
Examinations are very near.
Hmm.
Now I'm telling about my Hindi teacher.
Hmm.
My Hindi teacher's name is Hemlata ma'am.
Hmm.
She is also a very good teacher.
Hmm.
She teaches very good. She teaches in 10 type of way.
Hmm.
So we can say some time our some पोथियों को श्लोकों को क्या बोलते हैं हिंदी में? हिंदी में कविताएं होती हैं ना, उन्हें क्या बोलते हैं?
Poems. Poems.
Yes, sir. Sometimes some poems are so difficult. So, ma'am teach us in 10 ways and any way different to other way.
Hmm.
So, all the students know about RAM.
Hmm.
Okay. Now, I'm telling about my Sanskrit teacher.
Hmm.
My Sanskrit teacher name is Dhavalji sir.
Hmm.
He teaches us so good,
Hmm.
but he teaches us like a pandit.
Hmm.
We all know very well Pandit read sloks in songs,
Hmm.
and Dhavalji sir also teach same
Hmm.
and
Teaches the same way.
teaches the same way.
कोई बात नहीं, आप बोलो, अच्छा बोल रहे हो आप, आज बोलो आप.
Teaches the same way. We all know very well. We don't understand the word of Pandit.
Hmm.
I'm also not understand the word of Dhavalji sir.
Hmm.
Now I'm telling about my science teacher.
Hmm.
My science teacher's name is Seema ma'am.
Hmm.
She is so important ma'am in my life.
Hmm.
She is my second favorite teacher.
Hmm.
She teaches only for important things.
Only for क्या होता है ये?
Sorry sir. She teaches us important things.
नहीं, only आ सकता था, only for क्या होता है? इतना रटा हुआ है ये. Only for इतना रटा हुआ दिमाग में बसा हुआ है कि only के साथ for लगाना ही लगाना है.
Sorry sir.
आप तो पढ़ लिख रहे हो इतने टाइम से, आपको तो सोचना चाहिए, भेड़ चाल में थोड़ी चलना चाहिए. आगे
Sorry.
बोलो.
She teaches us she teaches us only important things,
हाँ.
and and after it she asked to write in our copies.
Hmm.
Now I'm telling about my English sir.
Hmm.
Rajesh sir will be our teacher always. Any teachers cannot, any teacher can't occupy the place of Rajesh sir.
Hmm.
Second name of Rajesh sir is the teacher of Candy.
The teacher of?
Candy.
अच्छा. Okay. Hmm.
Because the Rajesh sir gives us so many candies.
हाँ.
Rajesh sir does not tell about only for his subject.
फिर only for लगाया.
Sir,
Only.
only his subject. He tell about full of the world,
Hmm.
which is going on nowadays.
What is going on? Hmm.
What is going on?
Hmm.
So Rajesh sir, our favorite teacher always.
Hmm.
Now I'm telling about my SST teacher.
Hmm.
My SST teacher's name is Anita ma'am.
Hmm.
She is also a so good teacher.
Hmm.
She teaches us in 2 and 3 ways.
Hmm.
She is a good teacher, and nowadays she did not come in our class.
Does not.
Does not come in our class.
Hmm.
Our subject of SST the subject of SST we cannot read. We said that's it.
Okay, very good. बहुत अच्छा बोला आज आपने. बहुत अच्छा इम्प्रूवमेंट है आपके अंदर. कुछ कमियां हैं उनको भी ठीक कर लो.
Thank you sir.
Yes, इच्छा.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Icha Singh, and I am the student of Rammart Online Interactive Classes from batch P11. And today I am telling about my village. My village name is Devri, and my village is very big, but it has not good hospitals and good facilities. My village has only one bank and one government hospital, but hospital's condition is very poor, and their doctors are very
क्या आर वेरी
sorry, मतलब डॉक्टरों की भी कंडीशन अच्छी नहीं है.
द डॉक्टर्स कंडीशन इज नॉट गुड
There the doctors conditions also not good, and they treat to the patient not good, and they treat not good way to treat
they do not treat
treatment
properly they
properly.
do not treat properly they do not treat
They
the
do not
patients properly सिंपल सा सेंटेंस
treat
था घबराओ मत हाँ
properly.
हाँ
Okay, sir. And my village has a government school which name is
which name नहीं whose name
is Vidya Mandir प्राथमिक विद्यालय,
हाँ
and in which there are about 200 students are read in school,
आर क्यों लगा रहे हो रीड ही आएगा ना खाली
and
अरे आर क्यों आएगा बीटा ही वर्ब थोड़ी है इसमें
most of the yes, sir.
बोलो
There are about most of my village most of the villagers are farmers, so my village men also my village men are also farmers, and some people live in outside, and some people live in my village. My village there are about 50 houses in my village, and there are about 70 people live in it, and my village has greenery, and my village I am proud of my village. Yes, that's it.
ऋचा बहुत अच्छी कोशिश करते हो आप अभी प्रैक्टिस आपको चाहिए नो डाउट बहुत अच्छी आप कोशिश कर रहे हो और आप ऐसे ही कोशिश करते रहो टंग पे आ जाएगी ये लैंग्वेज सब कुछ बहुत अच्छा है कहीं कोई दिक्कत नहीं है बस कोशिश करनी है आपको भी आपने लीव किया नहीं और जाओ वहीं की वहीं रह जाओगे और ये सब कुछ खत्म हो जाएगा जो आपका 4-5 महीने का 6 महीने का जो भी आपका मेहनत है सब खत्म हो जाएगा ध्यान रख लेना इस बात को आप ओके
Yes, sir.
यस आयुष
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Ayush and my topic is Rajasthan. Rajasthan is the largest state of India. Rajasthan is one of the most popular tourist destination in India
हाँ
for both domestic and international tourists. Rajasthan attract tourists for the historical forts, palaces, arts and culture.
वेरी गुड हाँ
Rajasthan famous food is dal bati churma. Rajasthan famous dance is Ghumar. Jaipur is the capital of Rajasthan. Rajasthan is celebrated on 30 March. That's it.
राजस्थान डे इज सेलिब्रेटेड राजस्थान इज सेलिब्रेटेड नहीं राजस्थान डे
Is celebrated on 30 March.
हाँ वेरी गुड बहुत अच्छी आपकी कोशिश है कंटिन्यू रखो आप ओके यस मनीषा आपकी आवाज बहुत कम आ रही है, ऑडिबल नहीं है,
हेलो सर, अब
बहुत
ठीक
कम
है
आवाज आ रही है, नहीं आ रही अच्छे से आवाज आपकी।
सर? मैं वापस से रिजॉइन हो जाएगी सर? आ रही
चलो
है
आप
मेरी
फटाफट,
वॉइस?
आ रही है पर कम आ रही है, आप बोल लो, कोई बात नहीं, बोलो आप,
सर मैं एक बार रिजॉइन हो जाती हूँ।
जल्दी आओ फटाफट से, आप बहुत
यस सर,
टाइम हो
एक
गया, पूरा
मिनट।
7 बजने वाले। चलो श्रेया, और किसी को दोबारा बोलना है तो नाम लिख देना अपना। श्रेया आप बोलो।
Yes, sir.
यस
My
सर।
topic is
अब रुक जाओ मनीषा आप। हाँ श्रेया बोलो।
ओके सर।
my topic is about plants. Plants are
हाँ।
very important for us because we cannot live without plants.
हाँ
Plants gives us oxygen.
शाबाश। हाँ
Without oxygen, we cannot live.
हाँ
And plants also gives us fruits and vegetables.
हम्म,
We should not cut plants and as well as trees.
वेरी गुड।
We should save plants and trees because they help in maintaining the atmosphere. But there are many vehicles who pollute our environment.
एक मिनट बेटा, हु की जगह विच लगाओ यहाँ पर।
Okay, sir.
हाँ, हु केवल पर्सन के लिए यूज करते हैं अपन।
Okay, sir.
हाँ
They also give us shadow in summer. Many medicines are also made from plants. That is many medicines are also made from plants. That is very useful for us.
हाँ
Without plants, we cannot imagine our life and other activities. There are also home for several living organisms.
फॉर सेवरल नहीं, सेवरल।
For several living organisms,
हाँ
plants and trees made their own food.
हाँ
Plants are our best friend. That's it, sir.
हाँ बेटा, थोड़ी क्रिएटिविटी लाओ आप, है
Okay,
ना
sir.
बेटा। आप अपने कोशिश करोगे ना, तब आप बहुत आगे जाओगे, बहुत आगे जा सकते हो आप अपने आप को अनलिमिटेड जा सकते हो आप, कोशिश करो आप थोड़ी सी,
Okay,
समझ
sir.
गए ना बेटा। हाँ चलिए मनीषा अब आओ आप।
यस सर।
मनीषा
यस
हाँ
सर,
बोलो।
यस सर, यस सर। मेरी
हाँ
वॉइस आ रही है?
आ रही है, बोलो आप।
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, I'm Manisha and I'm the student of Ramban English online interactive classes.
हाँ
And today I'm going to tell you about pollution,
हाँ
pollutions and their preventions. And as we all know, there are so many types of pollution, but four are major as water pollution, air pollution, soil pollution, and noise pollution. These and as we are also know that
we
these
are also no
we also know that these all are spreading by us, by human activities and acts, and we also know that these all are very harmful for us and for our environment, and they are caused they can be caused of global warming and
ऑफ की जगह बिकॉज ऑफ
because of.
या बाय ग्लोबल वार्मिंग कर सकते हो आप।
Sir, yes sir.
अच्छा, कॉज तो बाई लगाओ वहां पर आप, बिकॉज ऑफ भी नहीं आएगा। आगे बोलो।
Yes sir. As
बोलो
as
क्या
we,
हुआ। हाँ
if we talk about air pollution, it is spread it is spread by
इस
by
क्यों लगा रहे हो,
smokes.
इट स्प्रेड से तो आएगा, भूल गए क्या इस एमआर को कहाँ यूज करते हैं, कैसे यूज करते हैं।
Yes, it spreads by smoking and by
by smoke, which which is exhaled by us. Uh, sorry, by vehicles and by factories and industries and the harmful gases.
माइंड की प्रोसेसिंग की स्पीड बढ़ाओ थोड़ी सी आप अपनी।
Yes, sir.
हाँ, बाकी तो सब बढ़िया है आपका, लेकिन माइंड की जो आपकी प्रोसेसिंग स्पीड है ना, वो स्लो है आपकी, आप उसको बढ़ाने की कोशिश करो तो फ्लो
Yes,
आ
sir.
जाएगा।
It
बहुत
is
अच्छा
it
आपका।
is also caused by burning coals, petrol, plastics, etc. And
हाँ,
it is need. There is a need to
हाँ,
check this
वेरी गुड।
pollution,
हाँ,
and there are so many ways to stop and check the pollution. Like we should grow more and more trees and make others understand their responsibility and their duty about their environment. And we should also check this by using transportation system, public
बोले जाओ,
transportation
फ्लो लाओ
systems,
थोड़ा सा, फ्लो लाओ
and
थोड़ा सा। हाँ,
carpooling, and by using eco-friendly gas vehicles. and now I want to talk about water pollution. As you all know, water pollution also spreads by us, and by throwing garbage and domestic wastes in it, and by washing kettles and clothes, and etc. And there is also a need of checking this pollution, and it can be checked by that's it, sir.
ओके, तो बहुत अच्छा है, सब कुछ बहुत अच्छा है, फ्रेमिंग बहुत अच्छी है, लेकिन अपने माइंड की प्रोसेसिंग थोड़ी सी बढ़ाओ आप। समझ में आ गई बात?
Yes, sir.
आप कोशिश करोगे तब बढ़ेगा ये। कोशिश करोगे ना कि मुझे थोड़ा सा फ्लो लाना है, थोड़ा सा स्पीड बढ़ानी है अपनी, तब बढ़ेगी ये।
Yes, sir.
बस अब यही कमी है, बाकी कोई कमी नहीं है आपके अंदर।
Yes, sir.
हाँ, यस ज्योति।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Jyoti Mehra, and today I'm telling a short story about Helen Keller. Helen Keller was an intelligent girl. She was born on 27 July 1818 America, and she was deaf and blind, so her parents were very sad to see her condition. You never feel that how types of feeling are going on in our mind when we can't see anything.
इन देयर माइंड आएगा ना, आवर क्यों आ जाएगा यहाँ पे?
Yes, sir, their mind. When we can't see anything and can't hear any voice in the atmosphere. And according to Wikipedia, she was not deaf and blind since born, and suddenly she was ill in the
She got
childhood.
ill. She became ill.
Okay, sir. She became ill in childhood, and due to illness, she lost her hearing power and watching power. That time she was only about 19 months, but when she grew up, some doctors suggested her parents to appoint a teacher for her. So, and So her parents searched a teacher, and luckily they found a good and able teacher for her, and her name was Annie Sullivan. She came to live with the Keller family, and she started to understand Helen Keller. And before coming Annie, Helen knew Helen knew something like want if she wanted to say something, she only shook her head yes or no.
In
When
yes or no?
yes or no.
In yes or no?
In yes or no. Yes.
सुनते नहीं हो ध्यान से आप?
But when Annie came, she taught her many new things. Helen could neither watch nor hear. So first of all, her teacher taught her by touching things.
Very good. बहुत अच्छा. हाँ.
And she used to make her touch things, and told her it's a mug and it's a stick,
Very good. शाबाश. हाँ.
etc.
हाँ.
And
हाँ.
she wrote all words on her hands.
Very good. हाँ.
Helen could read anything, but Helen could read anything by touching, but Annie called a teacher for her. She taught her speaking by touching lips or throat.
Very good.
And Haley could understand easily by touching lips and throat. After much trying, she could write and speak and reading anything. And it was a great achievement of her teacher. So we can say that if you have passion to learn something in your life, nobody can't stop you. Helen Keller wrote many books in which the story of my life is very famous.
बहुत बढ़िया. Very good. हाँ.
We I inspire by her stories, and we should motivate by them. When I search about Helen Keller, I like one thing death is definite. But how do you want to live between death and birth? It's only depend on us.
Very good. बहुत बढ़िया.
Everything is possible if you want. That's it.
Very good. शाबाश. सब कुछ आपका बहुत अच्छा है. तीन चीजों को ठीक कर लो मैडम.
Yes, sir.
एक तो आपका ध्यान, दूसरा आपका प्रोनाउंसिएशन.
Yes, sir.
ध्यान दे लो आप. बाकी आपकी मर्जी है. बाकी सब कुछ बहुत बढ़िया है. देखो ध्यान आपका इतना डिस्ट्रैक्ट होता है जिसका कोई हिसाब नहीं है. और एक उच्चारणों को ठीक करने की कोशिश करो आप.
Okay, sir.
बस. और कोई है? यस रुचिका.
Yes, sir.
बोल.
Hello friends, my name is Ruchika and I'm the student of B11, and today I'm going to tell you the lifespan of a child. A child takes birth on the earth, and all people are happy on the day when he takes birth. And
अच्छा ओके ठीक है बोलो.
yes, a child is also known as God, because there is not deed in his heart. We say anything and he agrees to do that we say. And if a child is very naughty, he sometimes he makes mistakes and make us fun. And we whenever we saw a child and if we are in any bad situation, then his one smile makes us happy. And a child has not any tension. He is free. He can do in his childhood, he can do everything whatever he want. There is no burden of any studies, and any family burden and many other things that comes in our life. And a child, all people cares him when he is a child, and after his childhood he comes in teenage age, and in this he develops by his physically and mentally condition, and there comes a lot of situations or conditions that makes that shows him the reality of life, and he faces a lot of things, and there is a lot of burden of in the teenage, a lot of burden comes to on the teenagers, like in the present time, mostly who are in the 14th age, there is a lot of burden of their studies, and they think that if I will do study then I will get everything, but it is not true, because education is not everything. Your behavior and your manner and many other things are important, that makes you a good person.
Beta, this is also an education,
Okay,
but
sir.
unfortunately we are not taught such things.
Yes, sir.
Yes, beta, आगे बोलो.
Yes, sir. And in the and after his, till his school life, he makes fun, means he's like in the house, he lives with his parents, and in the schools he lives with his teachers and principal and many other persons, and he don't think that I am alone, but after school, when he do graduation, then he has to go abroad for studies, so at this time he feels alone, but and many situations came, like
Come, beta, come. Came क्यों? Past में क्यों?
sorry, sir. Many situations come, like family, from the family, the family member says that you have to get job as soon as possible, and he is unable to concentrate on one thing only, and he sometimes it happens that when we are alone, that then we listen to our family a lot, the if I talk about uh, if I talk about a student, then misses uh, he misses the food of the food made by his mother most, and after if we disappoint us sometimes, then we should not leave our hope, because if we leave it, then we can't get success in our life, and
Succeed, हाँ, ठीक है.
succeed in our life, and it happen and we don't get all the accommodations at the time, so we should face the situation that comes happily, without any tension, or without any tension or hesitation, and after getting the job, he get married, and then he and then he gets settled, and and at that time, and in the फिर ये विवाह होता है, उसमें कौन सा वो होता है,
क्या?
मैं sorry, and after marriage, he after marriage, there is a burden of only his family, he takes care of his family, and then he is unable to share all the things with his family, sometimes it happens that he is not happy, and he don't show on his face, doesn't show on his face.
ऑन क्यों लगा रहे हो? अच्छा, it doesn't show it on his face. आगे बोलो.
Yes, sir. Whenever his child come in front of him, then he smiles and after going to them, he comes in the same situation. So we can say that after marriage he gets a lot of happiness as well as a lot of badness, and one day he dies, and this type the life in this way he spend his lifespan. That's all, sir.
वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा, शाबाश. और कोई है? पिंकी मैडम, चलिए मैं बंद कर रहा हूँ.
No, sir.